BRICKSkid 1, this is Houston. Do you copy? Read you loud and clear. Approaching International Space Station now. Plug in the BRICKSkid. Roger that. Light it up.
The BRICKSkid, a zero-emissions portable light tower. The time is right for zero-emission lighting. The BRICKSkid features 100% spark-free construction, self-contained mast, explosion-proof lights and electronics. Plug into virtually any electric power source, including a truck. Reliable and simple operator controls for raising the mast and independent operation of lights. Easily lights up a 4-acre area. The time is right for this zero-emissions portable light tower. The BRICKSkid and its variations are available through our network of rental partners throughout North America. Contact us today to learn more.